This is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We have a quartz countertop to install. We're going to need to remove this piece behind the sink so they're able to hook up their plumbing. Hi, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. I'm here with our customer Jeanette. We're here in Dansville, New York. Jeanette, what do you think of your new countertops?
So it was about a week ago that our island was put in, and I was excited when we got the pictures that came over and we got to actually confirm our pieces. So that was probably my favorite part, which got me more excited, and then a week later, here we are.
Well, I thank you very much for your business.